followers, instead of just thinking about not coming in, we gave you something very fun to do, and that is the twist. So we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 from your ankle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's still right up. We're just dressing it up.
And then leaders, we worked on just getting that same shape we did before. You know, be great. You practice me up. You can swung me out, which is a lot of work. And there's just a bob drop, but don't worry, it's going to be fine. When we're doing this, leaders, you get ready at the end of the swing out to start the next one. Then you get ready in the middle of the swing out to send your partner the other way. If you can remember those get ready moments, the triple steps, and move a little bit on them, that will make the next thing not so hard, so it's not going to be such a stiff moment. You won't have as much inertia to overcome. So we have get ready, then go. Get ready, then go. Get ready, then go. Get ready. There you go, leaders. You did awesome with that. Then we reminded you of 2 moves. We did a double turn. With a double inside turn. After that, we do the circle. And we could come right back and do 2 in a row. I go get my partner. I don't punch myself in the face. I just sneak right over here, do promenades, and then mix it up. And that was it. And